bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes Interstate 99 mile markers 47 to 55. Locations impacted include Tyrone, Bald Eagle, Delta, Warriors Lawn, Birmingham, Franklinville, Starley Beachport, and Whipple Dam State Park. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. Snow Squall. The visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for South Central Center County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Goldsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Source, radar and train spotter. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions. To develop rapidly in warning areas. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Goldsburg, Burnham, Milroy, Highland Park, Yeagertown, Reedsville, Alpharetta, Potters Mills, Belltown, Seven Mountains, and Reed's Gas State Park. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. The National Weather Warning for Northern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, south central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Walnut, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Burnham, Newport, Highland Park, Yeagertown, McAllisterville, Spruce Creek, Reedsville, Juliana Terrace, Mexico, Alpharetta, and Belltown. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.